Hello and good day to you. This is Ademola Oladoja from the Forex Trading Inner Circle. This video, I want to refer to a trade we called in November, and I want to use that as a very good example on how to handle losses in Forex trading. A lot of traders or coaches or say trainers in Forex trading that teach people Forex, they don't like talking about the losing aspect of Forex trading. They prefer talking about the money you will make and how much you're going to make per day. But in Forex trading, you make money and you lose money. Now, when you lose money, there are some psychological things that happens. When you lose money, it demoralizes you. In fact, there are some losses you may encounter in Forex that you have food in front of you, you won't be able to eat it because it weakens you. It makes you feel so bad. But there is a way of handling losses in Forex in such a way that you are losing at the same time you are making money. I did a video on this. If you look at the series of the videos, I don't know where you are watching this. It could be YouTube, it could be Facebook. If you scroll to the past presentations we've done, you will see that I've done a presentation on how to lose yet you are still making money. For instance, you lost 3 trades and you make profit in 2 trades and you are still in profit. Yeah, that kind of system. I did a video on that. You can also refer to that. Now, to continue what I have for us, that is how to handle losses. The trade that we called the other day was on AUD-JPY. Now, what you're looking at on the screen now is a chart on AUD-JPY, and we decided to enter the trade here at this junction. That is where we entered the trade. I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, we entered the trade here, and we set our stop loss somewhere here. So the trade was going in favor until it came here and broke the stop loss, took away the stop loss, and that's what took us out of the trade. And after taking us out of the trade, see all the price movements that occurred here. And what I'm seeing is that because of the COVID-19 that was discovered in South Africa, and now Nigeria came up on the list of those red zones, the thing has affected the market, both Forex market, stock market, cryptocurrency market. It affected everything, and you see the downward movement continued, but there was a recovery in recent days. As you can see, in the past 3 days there was recovery and the market is coming back to the top. So how do you handle such losses? Now, if you are trading without a stop loss, I must warn you that you are doing a very risky thing and could easily crash your account and remove you from the market. There are so many trades that will come on board. Don't ruin your account. Don't ruin your capital before the good trade comes. You have to share the risk in such a way that when the good trade comes, you can also partake in them. Now, there are 2 types of losses. For instance, with the trade that I explained just now, you just lost a small fraction because once you see that the price has changed direction, you are out of the trade. That's a small portion of loss, and it's a closed loss. There are 2 types of losses. We have the floating loss and we have the closed loss. If your account, maybe you are still in the trade, you have not closed the trade, you are seeing a negative balance changing, the numbers are changing, it's a negative balance. That's what we call a floating loss. And if you have closed the trade and you don't have any active trade, it has reduced your balance. You see your balance has reduced. There's no active trade. That's a closed loss. Now, if you are on a floating loss, the best thing to do in that kind of situation, if you are not sure of what is going on in the market again, that is that trade, you don't understand it, the best thing is to mercy kill the trade. And what does it mean to mercy kill the trade? I know you will want to be hoping that it will still come back in your favor, and that is where you run in danger. So when you mercy kill the trade, you remove your attention from that distraction, because that trade becomes a distraction. You won't be able to see other opportunities in the market, so you'll be focusing on that bad trade, and when good things are happening elsewhere, you won't be able to notice because your attention has been taken away. So you mercy kill the trade. That's an option you can do to control the losses. Then the second option, use this option when you actually understand the trend and you know what you're doing. You can use a hedge. A hedge is setting an opposing order to counter the losing trade. So you can't lose again and you can't make more money again. Then you wait till the trend reaches a particular reversal point before you close one and leave the other. That's a bit complex, just a bit complex. I explained that in month 3 of our program in Forex Trading Inner Circle. If you are not our student, I will encourage you to join us, because we tell you the truth on how to handle this business without regrets. Though we're not saying that when you join us you will never lose. You will lose sometimes, but on the long run you have a happy ending with your trading, because on the long run you are making profits. Then the second category of losing trade is the closed trade. When you have closed your trade, your balance has reduced. The next thing to do is to review the cause. Why did you think you lost the trade? Just like I did that. Okay, why did I lose the trade? Okay, this is the normal thing that should happen, but a change occurred in the economy situation of the world and the countries I'm trading with, so it's changed the trend. So why did you lose? In medicine they call this pathology. That is the cause, the life cycle, what actually caused the sickness. So what caused the loss? So that's very good, important thing that you should do. That's one. Then two, you review your capital strength analysis. In Forex Trading Inner Circle, we have something we call capital strength analysis table. So you review it to see the risk capacity that you have with the remaining balance that you have in your account. It's very important. So those are things, part of the things that you can do to handle loss. If you want a full-fledged instruction and guideline on handling losses in Forex, so that at the end of the month you are coming out with profit, or if you want to even join our trading room and be a part of the reverse engineered trading method we want to launch in 2022, why not join us and be a part of what we are doing? So that's all I have for you today. If you have questions, as usual, you can message me on WhatsApp or call using the number 0818-599-0414. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Have a wonderful trading day and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.